caught these with, I was like, oh, it'll be quick. Like, I just, zip a couple these. You want to grab that? Pretty much, yeah, when they're doing the intubation process, they put it over top of the patient, and then surgeon's able to like do what they need to, and they can actually work over the patient's head while they're. I got it. I guess I don't need to smile.
So I actually was working a donation group with a couple other coworkers, and one of the ladies from the ICU reached out to us and asked us if we can actually build a couple boxes for them for the intubation process here, and worked with a couple of the local companies to be able to actually get them fabricated, and I was able to build them over at my home and be able to deliver them. One of the surgeons out here at Rideout reached out to us, asked us if we could do a couple intubation boxes for them. We were actually running a local donation group for the local Yuba City area, and we wanted to see another way that we could give back, so we actually reached out to a couple other companies in the local area. We reached out to a couple fabrication shops, and they were able to cut the plexiglass pieces that we need, and we were able to build these intubation boxes that they need here at Rideout. So the intubation process for the hospital is when they're actually putting the tubes within to the patient so that they could breathe on a ventilator, and so typically they're in very close proximity to the patient. So the intubation boxes will be able to give them a protective shield barrier between them so that they can actually reach through and do what they need to while being able to see what they're doing, but also be protected. So the local hospital reached out to us to see if we could build a couple intubation boxes for them, and so I reached out to a couple other local hospitals like Roseville and Kaiser Permanente, and we're actually going to be building a couple, well, we built a couple intubation boxes for them. And so me and a couple coworkers are running a little local donation group, and Rideout actually reached out to us to see if we could build a couple intubation boxes for them. So with working with them and a couple of the local companies, we were able to fabricate these plexiglass boxes to protect them while they're working on the patients from this COVID-19.